Social activist Ashang Kasar stressed the need of establishing separate tribal legislative council to bolster the idea of Manipur. He said the council will give equal opportunity even among the smallest tribes to represent its people in the local body or assembly elections. Ashang Kasar was speaking during the 6th Lipun event organized by a local Delhi. In the absence of a platform, he said smaller communities are deprived of equal opportunity to voice their plights. As such, the idea for united Manipur may never be realized until this issue is addressed. The social activist attributed the communication gap between the tribals and the majority group due to the absence of a common platform for the tribals. He further suggested the need to introduce a healthy and a new electoral system in the state inclusive of the interests of all the communities. Manipur University retired Professor W. Navakumar attended as a moderator. Lal Bahadur Sastry National Academy of Administration, Mussoorie and former faculty member Taibur Rahman, former coordinator of Human Rights Center MU, Bhavani Adhikari, Deputy Secretary, retired W. Chandrakumar, among others, spoke on the idea of Manipur.
Idea of Manipur sida good governance akhoi masida focus khra to honinge good governance sida akhoi leadership abhab tu machak changi no corruption state oihansi have se haininge aduga hojik makhada common minimum policy common minimum program adu Manipur as a whole gi oina adugi policy program akhoi amad labor yam targa le development paikap to kanda akhoi ratio khra yenglaga balance oiba policy am semba adugi mathangda community tribes labor mayam se akhoi council lama thambiba targa le masi am very important maramdi hojik mayon tribe tarau hairiba tribe macha se Manipur da chahi chama le resu mapunsi de ADC member phangwel MLA ka ba le ro MP le ro